Hi my dear children, how are you all children? Yes, that's good. I hope that you are all fine at home. Are you ready? Are you eager for today's class? Yes, I hope that. Let's come on. Today we are going to learn English subject. Let's move on to the topics. Yes, now we are going to learn the sounds of the letters E and I from your phonics skill book. After that we have to do some activities that are from your literacy skill book. Are you ready children? Let's see one by one. The sound of the letter E. Shall we learn it with some examples? It will be easy for you. Children, what it is children? Can you name it? What it is? Yes, very good. Elephant. What it is? Can you name it? Egg. Children, read these two words with me. Elephant, egg. Have you noted the word two words elephant and egg are begin with the sound elephant, egg. By this we can understand the sound of the letter E, that is Shall we see some more examples? Come on, now we are going to look and read some words which are end with the letters ED. Are you ready? Read loudly with me, okay? What it is children, can you name it? Yes, this is bed, fed, lead. What it is children? Can you see this? What color? Red color. Shall we read these words once again? Read with me, read loud. Bed, fed, lead, red. Children, have you noted these four words are end with the sound ed? Yes children, we have to pronounce the letters ed together as ed. Move on to the next example. Now we are going to look and read the words which are end with the letter EG. Are you ready children? Read with me. What it is? Read with me. Beg, kick. What it is children? Can you name it? Leg. Very good. Leg, peg. Shall we read these words once again? Beg, kick, leg, peg. Children, have you noted these four words are end with the sound egg? Yes children, we have to pronounce the letters EG together as egg. Move on to the next example. Now we are going to look and read some words which are end with the letters EN. Read loud, okay? What it is? Can you read this? Then. What it is? Then. What it is children? Hen. What it is? Men. What it is children? See the picture and read this. Pen. What it is? Ten. This is Zen. Shall we read all these words once again? Then, hen, men, pen, chen, Zen. Children, have you noted all these words are end with the letters En and end with the sound N. Yes children, we have to pronounce the letters En together as N. Move on to the next example. Now we are going to look and read some words which are end with the letters Et. Are you ready children? Read loud. What it is? Z, met, pet, sit, wet, yet. Shall we read it once again? Z, met, pet, sit, wet, yet. Children, have you noted all these words are end with the letters ET and these words are end with the sound et. Yes children, we have to pronounce the letters ET together as et. Children, I hope that now you are having a clear idea about the sound of the letter E, that is A. Shall we do some activities? Yes, come on. Now the activity is to match the pictures with the words. Yes children, see here, look here. On left side you have three pictures, on right side you have three words. You have to match the pictures with correct word. Are you ready children? Before that, please tell me what it is. Net. This is bed. This is hen. Can you match it with the correct word? Where the word net? Where is the word net children? Yes, here it is. Where is the word bed? Can you see? Where is the word bed? Yes, here it is. What it is? Hen. Now you have to find the word hen and match it with. Okay. Where it is? Where is the word hen? Yes, here it is. Super children. Next activity. Here you also have to match the pictures with the words. See, on left side you have 3 pictures. Can you name these pictures? What it is? Lake. This is number 10. This is pen. See this words. 10, pen, leg. You have to match the pictures on left side to the correct words. Are you ready? Match the first picture. Where is the word leg, children? Are you finding? Tell me the correct answer. Yes, here it is. Now we have to find the word 10. Where it is? Where is the word 10? Yes, here it is. Last one, what it is? Pen. You have to match the picture with the word pen. Where it is? Yes, here it is. Do you enjoy the activity, children? I hope. Now on to the next sound. Now we are going to learn the sound of the letter I. Are you ready to learn with it with an examples? See here what it is, children. Can you name it? What it is? This is ink bottle. What it is? This is an ink bottle. What it is? This is igloo. Children, read these 2 words with me. Ink bottle, igloo. Children, have you noted these 2 words, ink bottle and igloo, are begin with the sound E. By this we can understand the sound of the letter I, that is E. Shall we see some more example for the better understanding? See here, now we are going to look and read some words which are end with the letters IB. Are you ready, children? Read with me. What it is, children? Can you name it? Yes, it is bib, fib. It is rib. Shall we read it? Read these words once again. Bib, fib, rib. Children, have you noted these 3 words are end with the letters IB and end with the sound ib. Yes, children, we have to pronounce the letters IB together as ib. Move on to the next example. Now we are going to look and read some words which are end with the letters ID. Shall we read what it is? D-I-D, did, hid. What it is, children? Can you see this picture? Yes, kid. What it is, children? Can you see this picture? Name it. Lid, mid, rid. Yes, children, shall we read it once again? Did, hid, kid, lid, mid, rid. Children, have you noted all these words are end with the letters ID and end with the sound id. Yes. Move on to the next example. Now we are going to look and read some words which are end with the letters IG. Are you ready? Come on. What it is, children? B-I-G, big. D-I-G, dig. What it is, children? Do you know this name? Fig. F-I-G, fig. Gig, jig, wig. Shall we read all these words once again? Read loud, okay? Big, dig, fig, gig, jig, wig. Children, have you noted all these words are end with the letters IG and end with the sound ig. Yes, children, we have to pronounce the letters IG together as ig. Move on to the next example. Now we are going to look and read some words which are end with the letters IM. Are you ready? Read with me. What it is? D-I-M, dim. H-I-M, him. What it is? R-I-M, rim. Shall we read all these words once again? Dim, him, rim. Have you noted these 3 words are end with the letters I-am and end with the sound im. Yes, we have to pronounce the letters I-am together as im. See the next example. Now we are going to read some words which are end with the letters I-N. Are you ready? Shall we? Come on. Bin, B-I-N, bin. Din, fin, pin, tin, win. Shall we read all these words once again? B-I-N, bin. D-I-N, din. F-I-N, fin. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. W-I-N, win. Children, have you noted all these words are end with the letters I-N and end with the sound in. words which are end with the letters IP. Are you ready? Read with me. DIP, dip, hip, rip, sip, tip, zip. Shall we read it once again? Come on. DIP, dip, HIP, hip, RIP, rip, SIP, sip, TIP, tip, ZIP, zip. Children, have you noted all these words are end with the letters IP and end with the sound IP? Yes. Move on to the next example. Look and read some words which are end with the letters IT. Come on, let's read. BIT, bit. FIT, fit. KIT, kit. LIT, lit. PIT, pit. SIT, sit. Shall we read these words once again? Come on, read with me. Bit, fit, kit, lit, pit, sit. Children, have you noted all these words are end with the letters IT and end with the sound IT. Yes, children, we have to pronounce the letters IT together as IT. Children, now I hope that you all have a clear idea about the sound of the letter I, that is E. Let's do one activity, okay? Come on. Now the activity is to match the pictures on left side with the words. See here, can you name this picture what it is? This is a boy. He drinks juice by sipping it. What it is? This is fig. What it is? This is bib. Are you ready to match the pictures with the correct word? Yes, match. Yes, the word sip is here. Now find the word fib. Where it is, children? Yes, here it is. Now find the word bib. Where it is? Very good. You are done it correctly. The next one, here also you are having 3 pictures on left side, 3 words on right side. What it is, children? Can you name this picture? Zip. What it is? Dip. What it is? Nip. Shall we match it with correct word? Yes, first you have to match the word zip. Where it is, children? Here it is. Now find the word dip. Where it is? Where is the word dip? Very good. The first word. Where is the word nip? What it is? Nip. You have to match it with the word nip. Yes, the second word is nip. Shall we do one more activity? Yes, now it's time to do some activities from your literacy skill book. Do you like activity, children? I hope that. Enjoy the activities, okay? Now the activity is name the pictures. Yes, children. Following activities are having some pictures. You have to name it. What it is, children? Can you name this picture? Yes, this is hat. H-A-T, hat. What it is? Bed. B-E-D, bed. Can you name this picture? What it is, children? Very good. It is cup. C-U-P, cup. Can you name it? What it is? Can you see this picture? What it is, children? Very good. Hen. H-E-N, hen. What it is? This is bin. B-I-N, bin. What it is, children? This is tub. T-U-B, tub. Shall we move on to the next activity? Yes, this is an interesting activity. Try to answer correctly. The activity is to fill in the missing letters. Yes, children, in all the questions a letter is missing. You have to find the correct letter and you are having a picture clue. Let's see the picture clue. What it is, children? You can find the missing letter by using this picture clue. What it is? Cub. What letter is missing? C-U-B. The letter U is missing. See this picture clue. What it is? Can you guess the word? Yes, it is mob. Which letter is missing? B. M-O-B. Mob. Very good, children. See this one. What it is? Can you name it? What it is? Bus. Can you guess the missing letter now? Yes. Very good. You are telling the correct letter. B-U-S. U is missing. Move to the next one. What it is, children? Can you name it? What it is? Yes, it's a flower pot. Which letter is missing, children? Very good. O. P-O-T. Pot. What it is, children? Can you guess the missing letter by saying good. You are telling the correct answer. T-I-N, tin. One more. What it is? Tell me the correct missing letter. Yes, N. This is pant. The letter N is missing. P-A-N, pan. That's it, children. Now it's time to make note the follow-up activities. After this class, you have to take your phonics skill book. In that you have to read, trace and write the given words. Please make note the page number 6 and 9. After